Okay guys, so let's go ahead and give our client a nice shave. First thing you want to do is make sure that your customer is nice and relaxed. Then we're going to go ahead and apply some of the EZ Blade shave oil, and we're going to rub that into the client's face. Now make sure that you're lifting the hair while you're doing this. You really want to soften up the beard, soften up the hair, and just massage the face. Give the customer a great experience. It kind of relaxes them. You have to provide a service when you're, shaving. Make it an experience because you're charging a premium for the service. Make them feel good about it. We're gonna put a towel here so we can wipe off our blade, and then we're gonna apply some shave cream, guys. Same process. Right after the shave oil, we're gonna apply that shave cream, rubbing it in, really working it into that hair, softening up the whiskers. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply a hot towel, and we're gonna let that sit for about 2 minutes while you get your blade ready for the shave. Relaxes the customer and really puts them into a nice state of mind, guys. And you want the customer to be relaxed. Angle the blade at a 30 degree, stretch the skin, and begin your shave, guys. Now you can see I'm angling the blade at a 30, and I'm pretty much following the way the hair is growing. Every way the hair is growing, I'm gonna be shaving that way, guys. Just the biggest part here is to make sure that you're really stretching that skin. That's the most important part. Now under the neck, I'm gonna go upward. Now you can go backhanded. I've always shaved this way, but either way works. Some people go backhand, some people go upward like me. Regardless of the fact, the blade will be going upward, okay? Going across the chin is going to make it a lot easier. If you try to go the other way, that's how customers end up getting cut. If you try to go, going down or something like that, go across the chin. And there's basically 14 steps to shaving. I'm probably practicing maybe 8 of them. You don't need to use every step, but if you are doing like some kind of test, then maybe they want you to practice them all. But pretty much, this is pretty much how it looks, the 14 steps, where you go down, you go to the side. It's just, different ways. Same thing over here, stretching that skin and angling that blade at a 30. Now you can see he has a bit of acne at the top of his cheek right here. And I kind of, when I went over them, I kind of just grazed over them. I didn't apply too much pressure. I was still able to use the blade across the acne and not cut him. But you can see right there at the top of his cheek, he does have a bump. And again, you want to go, across it smoothly. Okay, don't press on it too much because you can cut the client. Going across, meeting the other side where I shaved originally. Pulling the skin at the same time. Going upward over here. Again, this could be backhand, whatever you feel like it could be. And going across right here as well. Now for the lip right here, I'm going upward. Of course, you can't go down because the top of his lip is there. We won't have anything to stretch. And the mustache is pretty easy if you guys have been shaping mustaches. Same thing, lifting up the nose. Stretch that nose out the way so you won't, cut them or anything like that. Making sure I clean up any little hairs I left behind. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit them with some aftershave tonic, guys. Now, if you guys need any products, you can go to our website, EZBladeShavingProducts.com. I will talk to you guys soon. Jay here from EZBladeShavingProducts.com.